car about 8 years and I've never changed those gaskets. I've just let it ride. It's like I really need to change like my windshield washer fluid only squirts on one side. It is probably out.